How to recover an eBay account with email. How to recover eBay account without email. First, you want to simply go to your browser and you want to simply search for eBay over here. And what you want to do is you want to simply go to the official website on sign in page. If you are not signed in on the page, what you want to do is you want to simply go to the sign in, and here you want to simply tap on this user icon over here. And by doing so, you'll be asked about all of your details over here. First, it'll ask for your email address. You want to simply type it out, your email address if you remember it, and you want to tap on forgot your password. By doing so, you want to simply enter your username or register phone number if it was available on your account previously. However, if you no longer have the access to your email or any kinds of other verification methods, you won't be able to recover your account. However, if you have any kinds of backup email, backup phone number, you'll be able to access your account with the help of those email or phone number. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.